Example, write y is equals to 2x squared minus 12x plus 6 in standard form. Identify the vertex, axis of symmetry, latus rectum, and direction of opening. Solution. The equation y is equals to 2x squared minus 12x plus 6, and the standard form 2x squared minus 12x is equal to y, and transpose 6 to the other side, that's negative 6. We divide 2, and this is 1/2, and this will be x squared minus 6x, and we put a space, is equal to 1/2 of y minus 6 over 2, or 3. And completing the square for x, that's x, follow the sign, negative, and 6 always divide by 2, that's 3, and the value 3 multiplied by the same value, which is 3 times 3, or 9, and this will be plus, always plus sign, and 9. Once you add a constant on the left side, you need to add plus 9, and this will be square, and this is 1/2 y minus 3 plus 9 is positive 6, and we extract the coefficient at y, which is 1/2, so 1/2 y, and we extract 1/2, so therefore we multiplied by 2, 12, which means 12 over 2 is also 6, and y times 1/2 is 1/2 y, and this is x minus 3 squared. Therefore vertex, which is h comma k, and the formula based on the standard form, the opening is upward. The formula is x minus h squared, and this is positive 4a times y minus k, where hk is the vertex and 4a is the latus rectum, and if it is positive, the opening is upward. X minus 3 squared is equals to 1/2 of y plus 12. Therefore vertex hk is equivalent to from negative 3 to positive 3, comma, and this is positive 12 to negative 12. Therefore our vertex is 3 and negative 12. 3, positive 3, and negative 12. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until this point approximately, and that's 3, negative 12, and that's the vertex. And to find the axis of symmetry, the formula based on the axis which is vertical, the formula is x is equals to h. Therefore the axis of symmetry is x is equal to 3. And to find the latus rectum, which is equivalent to 4a, and in the equation, latus rectum, or the constant outside the y plus 12, is 1/2, and this is 1/2. Therefore latus rectum is 1/2. Vertex 3 comma negative 12, axis of symmetry, which is x is equals to 3, and latus rectum, which is 1/2, and the direction of opening is upward. Example, find the equation of a parabola with vertex negative 2 comma 3 and focus negative 4 comma 3. Vertex, that's negative 2 comma 3, and focus negative 4 comma 3, so that's negative 4 and positive 3. Focus is always inside the parabola of the curve, and this is the graph of the parabola wherein the focus is inside the curve of the parabola and it is opening to the left. And the formula for parabola which is opening to the left, that's y minus k squared is equal to, and it is negative 4a x minus h. And this is the equation of the parabola. And h comma k is the vertex. And we have now the vertex, which is negative 2 and 3. And the unknown for this equation is the value a. And based on the given, we have the focus and the vertex. Based on the graph, we can solve the value for a, which is from the vertex to the focus is the distance a. And the distance from vertex to focus, that's a is equal to negative 2 minus negative 4, or negative 2 plus 4, and a is equal to 2. And we have now the value for a, which is 2, h, which is negative 2, and k is equal to 3. Using equation 1, y minus k is 3 squared, and negative 4 times a, which is positive 2, and x minus h is negative 2, and close parenthesis. Simplify. Y times y, that's y squared. 2 times y times negative 3, that's negative 6y. Negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. And equal to negative 4 times 2, that's negative 8. X minus times minus 2, that's positive 2, and close parenthesis. And also simplify. Y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equals to negative 8 times x, that's negative 8x. Negative 8 times positive 2, that's negative 16. And y squared, transpose negative 8x to the left side, that's positive 8x, follow negative 6y, and plus 9. And negative 16 transpose to the left side, that's positive 16, and equal to 0. Or y squared plus 8x minus 6y, 9 plus 16, that's positive 25, and equal to 0. And this is the equation of the parabola based on the vertex negative 2, 3, and the focus, that's negative 4, 3. Example. Find the equation of a parabola with axis parallel to OX and passing through 5, 4, 11, negative 2, and 21, negative 4. We have 3 points, 5, 4 by 2, so this is 2, 4, and 5, and 2, 4, and this is 4, this is 5, and this is the point. Another point is 11, negative 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, and negative 2. And this is the second point, 11, negative 2. And the last point, that's 21, negative 4, third point. And that's 21, negative 4, 0.54. And the axis is parallel to OX. So this is the point, the line of axis. Approximately, this is the curve or the parabola, which means the axis of symmetry is opening to the right, and the equation for opening of the parabola to the right, opening to the right, y minus k squared is equal to positive 4a x minus h, and this is the equation 1. At 5, 4, by using the formula, 5 and 4 is x and y. Therefore, 5 is x, 4 is y. And we have 3 unknowns. We have 3 points, and we have also 3 unknowns. The unknowns are k, a, and h. Using this formula and substituting the points, we can form a 3 equation. And that equation, we can determine the 3 unknown values. Y is 4, so 4 minus k squared is equal to 4a, and x is 5 minus h. And then we simplify the left side. So 4 times 4, that's 16. 2 times 4 times negative k, that's negative 8k. Negative k times negative k, that's positive k squared. And just copy 4a, 5 minus h. And this is equation 2. And the second point, 11 negative 2. Y is negative 2 minus k squared is equals to 4a times x, which is 11, minus h. And then we simplify the left side. That's negative times negative. That's positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative k. Positive 2 times 2, that's 4k. And negative k times negative k, that's positive k squared. Copy the right side. So 4a times 11 minus h. And this is equation 3. And the last point, at 21 comma negative 4, 21 comma negative 4, and y is negative 4 minus k squared is equal to 4a, and x is 21 minus h. And simplify, this is negative 4 times negative 4, that's 16. 2 times negative 4 times negative k, that's positive 8k. And negative k times negative k, that's positive k squared. And it equal to, just copy 4a of 21 minus h. And this is equation 4. Using the three equations, we have three equations and also three unknowns. And we can get the values by substituting two equations, or we get the value. So equation 2 and 3, 16 minus 8k plus k squared is equal to 4a times 5 minus h. And equation 3, that's 4 minus 4k, or plus 4k plus k squared is equal to 4a times 11 minus h. And to eliminate, we subtract. And 16 minus 4, that's 12. Negative 8k minus plus 4k, that's negative 8, and negative 4, that's negative 12k. And k squared minus k squared cancel out. 4a times 5 minus h minus 4a times 11 minus h. And simplify, 12 minus 12k, extract 4a, and 5 minus h minus 11 minus minus h, that's positive h. And cancel out negative h and positive h. And this will be 12 minus 12k equal to 4 times 5 minus 11 is negative 6 times 4, that's negative 24a. And we divide everything by 12. And this will be 12 over 12, that's 1, minus 12 over 12k over 12, that's negative k. And negative 24 divided by 12. So negative 24 over 12, that's negative 2a. And this is equation 5. Equation 2 and 3. And also using equation 2 and 4, 2 and 4, that's 16 minus 8k plus k squared is equal to 4a times 5 minus h. And equation 4 is 16 plus 8k plus k squared is equal to 4a and 21 minus h. And also we subtract. So 16 minus 16 is 0. Negative 8k minus plus 8k, that's negative 8 minus 8, that's negative 16k. K squared minus k squared, that's 0. So cancel out and equate that to 4a, that's 5 minus h, and negative 21, insert negative sign, and negative times negative h, that's positive h. And cancel out negative h and positive h. And this will be negative 16k is equal to 4a times 5 minus 21, that's negative 16. And we cancel out negative 16 and negative 16, or k is equals to 4a. And that's equation 6. And the new equations 5 and 6, we can have now the values for either k or a. By using the two new equations 5 and 6, value for k to equation 5, or 1 minus k is 4a, is equal to negative 2a. 6 to 5 equation. Transpose negative 4a to the other side, that's 4a minus 2a, and remain the value 1. And 4a minus 2a, that's 2a and 1, or a is equal to 1 half. So we have now the value for a, and using the equation 6, we can find now the value for k. At 6, or equation 6, k is equals to 4 times 1 half, and k is equal to 2. And for the value of h, you can use either equation 2, 3, or 4 to find the value for h. So we will be using equation 2. At 2, 16 minus 8, and the value for k is 2, plus k squared, or 2 squared, is equal to 4 times value of a, that's 1 half, and 5 minus h, which is the unknown. 16 minus 8 times 2, or 16 minus 16, we cancel out 16, and the remaining value is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 1 half, that's 2, and 5 minus h, and 4 minus equals to 2 times 5, that's 10, and 2 times negative h, that's negative 2h, or 2h is equals to 10 minus 4, or h is equals to 10 minus 4, that's 6 over 2, and the value for h is equal to 3. So the vertex is at h comma k, that's 3 and positive 2. 3, positive 3, and positive 2. And this is the point. We can now find the equation of a parabola based on the opening, which is opening to the right. And the formula for opening to the right, which is equation 1, that's y minus k squared is equals to 4a times x minus h. So the unknowns are a is equal to 1 half, h is equals to 3, and k is equal to 2. Or y minus 2 squared is equals to 4 times 1 half, that's a, and x minus 3. And then we can simplify. So simplify y minus 2 squared, that's y squared. 2 times y times negative 2, that's negative 4y. And negative 2 times negative 2, that's positive 4. And equal to 4 times 1 half, that's 2, x minus 3. And y squared minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 2 times x, that's 2x. 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6. And equation of the parabola, y squared transpose 2x to the left side, that's negative 2x, follow negative 4y, and positive 4. And transpose negative 6 to the left side, that's positive 6. So 4 plus 6, that's positive 10, and equal to 0. And this is the equation of the parabola. And that's y squared minus 2x minus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0.